This was never meant to be public.
Cold open silence often appears intentional. Governments rarely speak first. When they do, language is measured, controlled, and incomplete. This pattern forms the foundation of institutional secrecy. Across decades, officials acknowledge anomalies without defining them. Statements confirm observation, not explanation. The absence of answers becomes a method of control. Public curiosity grows in the space between disclosure and denial. What remains unsaid carries weight. Secrecy, over time, becomes structural rather than temporary. The question is not whether information exists, but why it is released selectively. This pattern repeats across administrations and agencies. Secrecy evolves quietly. It adapts. It survives leadership changes and public pressure. What follows is not revelation, but examination, a system shaped by restraint. Historical context. During the Cold War, information control became strategic. National security relied on limiting what adversaries could infer. Classified facilities expanded under this logic. Locations like Area 51 remained officially unacknowledged for decades. Declassified records later confirmed experimental aircraft testing. Early sightings, however, described unfamiliar motion and shape. Officials neither confirmed nor denied these accounts. Silence became a defensive position. Over time, secrecy normalized. Temporary measures became permanent. Architecture. This foundation influenced every later response to unidentified phenomena. Official admissions. In recent years, governments acknowledged encounters with unidentified aerial phenomena. Statements focused on observation rather than explanation. Released footage showed objects moving in ways not immediately understood. Authenticity was confirmed without interpretation. Reports clarified that unidentified does not imply extraterrestrial. It indicates unresolved classification. Language remained precise and limited. Technical uncertainty replaced denial. Public hearings followed, framed as transparency efforts, yet information arrived carefully filtered and incomplete.
We can confirm the objects were real, we cannot confirm what they were.
Witnesses and reports. Military pilots reported encounters during routine operations. Descriptions included rapid movement and lack of visible propulsion. Radar operators documented correlated sensor data. Objects appeared to maneuver beyond known systems. Some witnesses spoke publicly. Others remained anonymous due to professional risk. Official reports recorded testimony without validating conclusions. Consistency appeared in experience, not explanation. Observation was acknowledged. Interpretation was withheld. Secrecy and control. Classification governs information flow. Access depends on clearance, not relevance. Compartmental limits oversight. Few individuals see complete datasets. This structure protects security, while restricting accountability. Information moves upward selectively. Filtered at each level, public understanding becomes shaped by partial release. Secrecy becomes procedural, not exceptional. Contradiction statements emphasize transparency while withholding detail. Agencies confirm encounters but deny implications. Funding exists without public explanation of purpose. Documents are released with extensive redactions. The contradiction persists between openness and control. This tension defines modern disclosure.
Some things are released, others remain classified.
Psychological impact. Uncertainty alters perception. Ambiguity sustains attention. Lack of resolution encourages speculation. Institutions appear distant, reinforcing public mistrust. The human mind fills informational gaps. Secrecy shapes belief through absence rather than evidence. Psychological weight accumulates quietly. What is known? Objects have been observed by trained personnel, multiple sensor systems recorded, anomalies, governments acknowledge limited understanding, no public evidence confirms non-human origin, investigations continue under controlled conditions. Official language emphasizes uncertainty. What is unknown intent remains undetermined. Origins are unverified. Technological explanations remain incomplete. Access to full data is restricted. Future disclosures are undefined. The unknown persists by design or necessity.
What remains unknown is not hidden. It is simply unanswered.
Conclusions. Secrecy operates as a system, not an event. It evolves through policy, caution, and institutional memory. Disclosure occurs slowly, selectively, and strategically. What remains hidden may not be extraordinary, but the structure that conceals it is deliberate. Understanding that structure may matter most.